this entire question by hand. Okay, we manually calculated all of like the x, y's, the x squareds, y squareds, we summed them up, and then we went ahead and we plugged them into the equation. Now, if you wanted to do this on Excel, you will save yourself a lot of time. So here's the exact same data in the Excel spreadsheet. What we would do is we would highlight all of the numbers plus an additional box. And what this does is it puts our equation in that additional box, and we hit auto sum. Now let's auto sum this. So we get 48 and 12.9, that's done. Okay, for the XY, this would be just cell A2 times B2. So equals say product of this. Oh. Sorry, when you hit product, you have to start it by putting that bracket, and then you just hit enter. So as soon as you start typing it, it comes up, equals prof, go down, enter, highlight. So this one, there we go. Okay, you start equals product. So again, product, if you remember, is just the answer when you multiply two things. Okay, and product, bracket, these two equals. Okay, now let's auto sum this. Adds up to 105.3. I believe that's what we have. Okay, a squared. If you take a look under, if you press an equal sign, you can go here and you can see if there's an actual function for like the squared. So I went all the way down here. I see square root and square root pi, but I don't actually see squared. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to keep it simple. I'm going to say product of this one for okay equals product 8, and then you just go comma 8, enter, equals product 10, comma 10, equals product 9, comma 9. Okay, and all the way down. So I'm going to pause it, and I'm going to do that for the x's and then also the y's. Just want to show you one other way. You can do equals 1.6 times 1.6 equals 2.4 times 2.4. That one may be easier, equals 2 times 2, but then it's manual again, right? Okay, so let's auto sum this, let's auto sum this, there we go. Now, how do we find the correlation coefficient? So, first, we can easily graph this by inserting. Here, go to insert, and let's just do a scatter plot. Okay, done. Scatter plot's done for us. Now, we can change the chart title. We can say temperature versus crop height. Okay. If we go to add quick elements, we can add all of the axis titles. So we have chart title. We can add this one over here. So this is crop height. Now we can add another one, axis titles. This one as well. Okay, temperature. We talked about these. Now, if we want to actually insert the line of best fit, I personally just go to quick layout and I go to this one right here. The one with the F and X on it, if you click on that, it gives us the RR squared. So when we look at this R squared, I would just square root 0.218 and I would see what I get. 4.66905. That's exactly what we got for our correlation coefficient. So remember, when we work with the correlation coefficient, we're actually just dealing with the R equals, but this one right here gives us R squared equals. So what we have to do is we have to just take that number and we have to root it. The other thing that this gives us is our entire equation for the line of best fit. So we see that it has a slope of, or an A, of 0.0618, and then it has a y-intercept of 1.6559.